little plants, where do you usually put the plants? Natalia?
Outside.
Okay. And what do you usually plant them in?
A garden.
Oh, but what do you usually plant them in? If you were planting a little plant like in your classroom, where do you usually put the plants?
In those great bench things.
Did you usually use these things?
No.
What did you use? What have you used in the past?
Cups.
Okay. Why do you put them in cups, Ricardo?
Because my teacher said in kindergarten, put them in cups with all the dirt. Don't spill them or else the dirt will fall all over you.
Okay. And if you put them in the cups, what did you do with the cups when the
We put them near the window.
Okay.
With water.
Yeah.
Inside of the soil.
Okay. And then what?
And then the seeds started to grow.
And then when it grew, what did you do with them?
When it was finished growing, we put them in the school garden.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We actually used pots.
Oh, did you use the little clay pots or whatever before, Jordan?
Yeah.
Okay.
We used the little clay pots. And a long time ago.
Yes.
A very, very long time ago, we were planting little flowers
Yes.
in kindergarten, and we used those, and we put them in, and we put names on them.
And then when the flowers grew, what did you do with them, Jordan? Do you remember?
And then we put it in pots and we bring them away.
Well, today we're going to do some planting.
School program.
Today we're going to do some planting too. We're not using little pots.
We're using big ones.
We are, but it's different. These are called window boxes.
Oh, because they go by your window. And they're long.
They're long.
My
Yes.
mom uses these because right by like our little window, there's like this little piece of the window, and then it attaches, and then we plant in there.
And so
it's a rectangle, so that's math.
it is. And you know what? Here's what's gonna.
It's a rectangular prism.
Why did you say it was a rectangular prism?
Because it's up high instead of it's 3D. And
Yes.
I see little squares at the bottom. Look.
Oh. Oh, right at the very bottom. Now, here's the thing with this window box. Unlike your little plants from before, we're not each planting one. We're going to try to plant as a class. I have never done this kind of planting before. I was inspired by Miss Saint Amand, the same teacher who did the vermicomposter, did the planting with her grade ones. And I looked at what she did and I said, oh, I know how much my grade ones are interested in doing this stuff. I think we should try it too. So I was inspired and I did some shopping on the weekend and I bought some stuff. But here's the problem. Window boxes, as Dana mentioned, need to go by the
Window.
But I'm seeing a problem.
Oh, look at the stuffed animals are in the way.
Oh, wait.
So I tried to put it here.
Yeah? What's
Look
going to
it.
happen?
It'll just fall off
Oh.
like that if it's heavy.
So what do we have to do?
Maybe we can put some stuffed animals on it, or we could scooch them
Okay,
over.
so-
Like this, like in a little space.
Okay, except that just before we move any more of them, Mariana, before we move any more of them, we could fit them possibly into the little spaces. But we're going to have to,
Move
Well,
them
we're gonna
somewhere
have-
else.
right, because we're going to actually have to clear off the entire windowsill. So Aiden, if we're cleaning off the entire windowsill, where could we put
We can
these
put
stuffed
them over there, put them over there, put put them in a box.
Well, hold on a minute.
We can make a box. We can make a box.
Hold on. Oh, what do you see under there? Oh, 1 second, because we can't hear everyone at once. What? Oh, 1 second. What do you see under there, Mariana? What do you see under there, Mariana?
Lots of boxes. Yeah, I see it too.
Maybe if we move to the big carpet, we could have a look at those boxes. So if everyone stood up, let's move over to the big carpet area.